Welcome to Grafted in Him to another season of Times of Restoration. My name is Ashley Sellers, and today we are starting our second season where I share with you some good information on health and nutrition and wellness and things that you can apply to your everyday life. And today we are going to be talking about the back to school immune support. So I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and things that you can apply on a daily basis in order to support your immune system for you and your children. So what can you do to support your immune system this school year? Number one, drink water. I know it sounds super basic, but it's so important, and yet so many people don't drink water. Hydration is a key element to maintaining a healthy immune system. Hydration promotes better oxygen in our body. Water helps to carry oxygen to your body cells, which results in a properly functioning immune system. It also works in removing toxins from the body, so drinking more of it could help prevent toxins from building up and having a negative impact on your immune system. Number two, increase insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is one of the major driving force for diseases and conditions. And unfortunately, doctors don't really talk about this to their patients, which is why we see such a huge rise when it comes to insulin resistance. There's a very large amount of people within the United States alone that do have insulin resistance and they don't even know. So diabetes has been seen to cause dysfunction of immune response, which fails to control the spread of invading pathogens. Number three, decrease inflammation in the body. Inflammation, like insulin resistance, is one of the major driving force for diseases and conditions, including cancer and autoimmune diseases. Now, reducing chronic inflammation will decrease your chances of diseases and will aid the immune system. So, like I said, with insulin resistance, many doctors out there don't really talk about decreasing inflammation in the body because in medical school, they're not taught how to handle inflammation in the body. Number four, avoid polyunsaturated fats. Polyunsaturated fats wreak havoc in our body and in our organs, especially the liver, and the liver is so important to support it on a daily basis. Number five, sleep. Sleep is extremely important for your overall health. There are processes that need to take place in order for your body to keep thriving, and these processes cannot take place while we are awake. So not getting enough sleep, 8 to 9 hours at least, will greatly decrease your immune system's performance, okay? So it is super important to prioritize sleep. Number six, manage stress. And I have 2 different courses that you can take. If you're interested in taking those, you can just message me to my Facebook or Instagram, A Restoring Life, or you can email me to arestoringlife@gmail.com, and I will give you information on how you can access these 2 courses. But I have 2 courses that talk about how to heal your metabolism and how to manage stress. And the other one is how to manage stress specifically with nutrition. So more than 70% of the US population struggles with chronic stress. High levels of cortisol in your body leads to inflammation and immune system dysfunction. And you got to make sure that you do anything you can to manage your stress on a daily basis. Number 7, eat whole foods. It has been scientifically proven for centuries that eating whole foods will support and strengthen your immune system. You can never go wrong with fruits and vegetables. So please do not underestimate the power of food. It is the most powerful medicine that we have access to. Number 8, supplementation. And I'm not just saying supplementation as in, take as many pills and as many supplements and teas as you can. I'm not saying, if you see an ad on Facebook that talks about CBD or, different supplements, you need to take them. No, targeted supplementation. And this is why working with a nutritionist, a wellness coach, but specifically nutritionists and iridologists, we can see what your body actually needs, what supplements do your body needs, what areas when it comes to minerals need to be supported. And so that is why I talk about and I strictly focus on targeted supplementation. And so that's what you need to focus on. So targeted supplementation can be very helpful. I specifically love using for the flu season, during the flu season. I love using vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, echinacea, and elderberry. So I suggest that you start stacking up on those. I normally start stacking up on these around end of August, beginning of September, just so that I have enough of this in hand for the fall. But I also start taking these before the fall even starts, okay? Just to make sure I'm starting to support my body before anything comes around. And number 9, stay active. Take some time to stay active, get your heart rate up, and most importantly, sweat. Sweating is so important so we can eliminate a lot of toxins that linger around in our body. So when we're sweating, our lymphatic system is removing all of those toxins out of our body through the sweat. So it's so important to help our body do that. And that way is another way to support our immune system. So that is it for today's episode of Times of Restoration. I'm so looking forward to this second season with you guys. I have a lot of new information that I want to share with you. And if you want to focus on your health, if you're ready to take care of yourself and take your health into your own hands and take this serious, then please contact me. I will love to help you with this. You can contact me at arestoringlife@gmail.com or Facebook and Instagram, arestoringlife. Or you can go directly to my website, arestoringlife.com. So I hope you have a fantastic day or evening or night whenever you are watching this video. And just remember that we are here to serve. I am here to serve. I am here to help you when it comes to these things. And yeah, I will see you on the next episode. Shalom.